cross is where 4 edge pieces with white on them are arranged in the correct position. Don't worry about the corner pieces. We will get to them in the next video. The correct position for the white cross is for each edge piece to match both centers. For example, the blue and white edge piece is in between the white center and the blue center. The white and red edge piece is in between the white center and the red center. The white and green edge piece is in between the white center and the green center. And finally, the white and orange edge piece is in between the white center and the orange center. To solve the white cross, it takes some trial and error. Don't worry about how messy the cube looks at first. Just focus on finding the 4 edge pieces with white on them. That means you need to find the pieces of the cube that has white and red, white and blue, white and orange, and white and green. So this would be white and orange, this would be white and green, this would be white and blue, and this would be the red and white edge piece. After finding them one by one, take one edge piece and place it directly under a centerpiece that has the same color. So this is the white and green edge piece, and we would have to move it to go to the green centerpiece. So to do so, I would do 1D turn, and now it is directly underneath the green centerpiece. Now when it lines up, just do F twice to move the edge piece up, and now do the following algorithm to put it into the correct position. So that would be F, UI, R, and finally U. The edge piece is now in the correct position, as it is in between the white center and the green center. To solve the other edge pieces, do the same thing. So this is the red and white edge piece, and it is already in the up position. So I would just have to do the algorithm F, UI, R, and U to put it into position like so. Now the white and orange edge piece is also in the up position, so I would do the same algorithm F, UI, R, U. And now that leaves us with just the white and blue edge piece, which is right here. Now if it's stuck between 2 different colored centerpieces like so, just do RI once to move it down, D once to move it to the right, R to move the correct positioned edge piece up, and finally go back and find the blue and white edge piece to place it underneath the centerpiece as it is right now, and now do the same algorithms as we did before. So do F twice to move it up, and now do F, UI, R, U. And now you have solved the white cross. Thanks for watching.